guys, and welcome back to my channel, FunsizedStyle. My name is Michaela, and thanks for stopping by. So, for today's video, I have my monthly Ipsy unboxing, unbagging, whatever you guys like to call these videos. If you're unfamiliar with Ipsy, Ipsy is a beauty subscription service. They have Glam Bag, and they have a Glam Bag Plus. Glam Bag is what I receive every month. It is a $10 a month beauty subscription service that features anything from hair care to skincare to nail care to makeup to beauty tools. And they are usually deluxe size samples, or occasional full-size products. And then there is Glam Bag Plus, which is a beauty subscription service that features everything from makeup to skincare to nail care to beauty tool. I think I said hair care, but hair care as well. And it is all full-size products, but it is $25 per month. But Glam Bag is what I have always received, and a Glam Bag Plus is rather new. But anyways, let's go ahead and see what I received in my Ipsy bag for the month of May. Now, before we get into the contents of the bag, I want to give you guys my thoughts on the bag design for the month of May. Now, considering this is the bag for the month of May, I'm a little bit disappointed. To me, it looks more like a New Year's Eve kind of bag, so it looks more like a theme or a bag design that they would have in December or January or something, not really May. I don't know. For May, I was thinking more springy, and I don't know. This doesn't really seem like a May bag design to me, or one that I would use this time of year. It just seems more, it gives more New Year's / like party vibes to me, but that is just my opinion. Plus the glitter comes off a little bit, and that's really annoying. I mean, it doesn't like, there's not like clumps of it coming off or anything, but it does come off, which is a little bit annoying. So this definitely is not my favorite bag design for those reasons, but what matters most is what's inside. Chloe's watching me film, and it's the cutest thing ever. I can't with you, Chloe. You're so cute. Oh my goodness. She's like hardcore, like watching me film, and was like so intrigued with what I'm doing, and like her head is tilting right now, and I wish I had my phone because I would like get a behind the scenes right now, and I don't, and I'm so sad about it. The one time I don't bring my phone, she's being like the cutest ever. Before we get into the contents of the bag, I wanted to show you the one product that did not fit in my Ipsy bag for the month of May, and this is yet another makeup brush. I seem to get makeup brushes in my Ipsy bag every month now, which I sure don't mind. I love me some makeup brushes, and I'm super excited about this one because it is dual-ended, and I'm super excited about this. It is by the brand F.A.R.A.H, and I received another brush from them in the past Ipsy bag, so I really love the quality of their brushes, and I specifically love how this one is so sleek, and again, I love the dual end. We have more of a flat shader brush side, and more of a, this is also a flat, but it's more, you could also blend with this if you get super creative, but I have one from Luxie that I love a little bit more than this one. This one is just seems more like for lid shades to me, but I don't know, I'll play around with it and see what works best for this brush. But I really like it, and you just can't go wrong with receiving makeup brushes in your Ipsy bag, in my opinion. Getting into the contents of the bag now. Also, I will have my link down below where you can sign up for Ipsy, and if you use my link, I will receive 250 points to redeem in the Ipsy point store. And a couple of you guys have recently used my link, which is super helpful, and I really, really appreciate it. So if you're one of those people, definitely let me know how you've been enjoying Ipsy so far. I hope you love it as much as I do. With subscription boxes, it can be definitely a hit or miss, but for the most part, they're definitely hits because I've been subscribed for so long. Okay, so it looks like one of the products fell out of this little bubble wrap thing. Actually, let me get the card out because you guys know how excited I am about these cards now. So here is what this card looks like for the month of May. And then you open it up, and it has everything about each product and things like that. So there's actually a couple new brands that I've never heard of, quite a few new brands in this bag that I've never heard of. So this card will be very interesting, very helpful this month. So going on to the first product that inside of my Ipsy bag, this is by the brand The Beauty Crop, and this is one of the brands that I've never heard of before. It looks like a nice brand. And this is a bronzer in the shade Sardinia Sand. Sardinia? No, I said that wrong. Sardinia Sand. Goodness, why is that so difficult? It says it's inspired by healthy living and natural ingredients. This brand utilizes plant-based ingredients and natural oils in all of their products. This cool tone bronzer, which I love me a cool tone bronzer, gives you a sun-kissed glow, blends easily, and is made with antioxidant-rich green tea extract to nourish your skin. So that is so exciting. I love how it's all about healthy living and natural ingredients, which you guys know I'm trying to incorporate more into my routine. I will never be perfect at it just because I love different makeup brands way too much. But hopefully as the industry continues to realize kind of like what's in our products and what it does to us and all those things, or what it can do to us, that more brands will start to become more natural as well. It'll take a long time. There's a lot of money in the beauty industry, but it's nice to see that these smaller brands are working towards that. I don't know if it's the packaging or what, but this brand, the Beauty Crop, looks really nice. I'm gonna have to look into this brand more. So here's what the products look like. I'm gonna swatch this bronzer for you guys. Ooh. Oh wow, that is so smooth. Oh my, and so pigmented. Look at that. I never do very good swatches. I feel like my swatches are very messy, but oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. And it's just so smooth. Wow, I'm excited to try this. Okay, the next product is by the brand Innisfree, and this is the Pore Clearing Clay Mask with Super Volcanic Clusters. I have actually, so this is interesting, in one of my Sweet Sparkle beauty boxes, I received a mask, a sheet mask by the brand Innisfree as a bonus product, and I tagged them in like my YouTube video or something, or like in my Instagram story that featured that video, since they were in it, so that they would see like, hey, I'm promoting your brand or whatever, and they actually loved it and sent me a couple of their skincare products, which I actually haven't tried yet. So that's interesting that I received one of their products in my Ipsy bag. Clay masks are not my favorite, so I'm gonna save this for a friend since we can't do giveaways on YouTube anymore. So I'm gonna save this for a friend because I just don't love clay mask. It's not anything to do with the brand or anything like that. They're just, in general, not my favorite kind of masks. But this is a really great size and would be perfect for travel. Just because I don't enjoy clay masks, I will still tell you guys any interesting facts or anything to know. So this says, Innisfree sources the finest, most natural ingredients in Korea, including the volcanic clusters infused in this mask. The multitasking formula helps minimize the appearance of pores, absorbs oil, gently exfoliates and cleanses, and evens out skin tone. A little fact about that. So let's see what's next. Another new brand I have never heard of. So this is by the brand Nature's Cartel, and this is the multi-purpose stick. Okay, so here's what the product looks like. Nature's Cartel is all about non-toxic, cruelty-free products. The shimmery pinky color stick is so versatile. You can use it as a highlighter, eyeshadow, and a lip color. Wait, you can use this as a lip color? No way. I don't even believe it. Oh my gosh. That'll be interesting. Plus, it leaves a touch of natural looking warmth wherever you apply. This is so interesting. So interesting. Okay. Again, I've never heard of this brand. Oh, wow. But here's what it looks like. I'll see if I can swatch it maybe. I don't know. Oh, wow. All I did was like a dot on my hand, and it's like so shimmery. Oh my. Okay, don't know if you can see it. It's super shimmery, so you should be able to. It's right here. So that would be beautiful on the eyes. Oh my goodness. I'm excited to try this. I'll have to see what it's like. Man, there's some nice products in this bag. Tons of new brands too, which I like. The next product that I received in my Ipsy bag for the month of May is It's You Skin Perfecting HD Concealer in the shade Ivory. And this is by Sistar Cosmetics. Again, I have never heard of this brand, but let's open it and then I will share a little bit about. Oh, I love how like almost all these brands are like all about being all natural, or like mostly natural. This is exciting. Okay, so it says Eco Chic, we got you. All of Sistar Cosmetics formulas are naturally derived and cruelty-free. This full coverage concealer helps camouflage dark circles, spots, and discolorations while blurring out anything you want to cover up, all without creasing. Okay, so let's see if this shade will work for me. This looks way too dark, but we'll see. I have a more pink undertone in my skin. It's next to the bronzer. But maybe if I really blend this out and use my Elizabeth Matte setting powder over this, I could make it work. But I can definitely tell that it's like very full coverage, so that's exciting. I think I'm gonna like this product, and there's also another brand that I want to look into. So that's everything that I received in my Ipsy bag for the month of May. Besides the bag design, this month was a real hit. The only thing I wasn't a fan of is this clay mask. I really like the brand Innisfree, but clay masks are just not my thing, so if it was a different kind of product, I probably would have really enjoyed it. So everything else I absolutely love. I love how it was all new brands except for Innisfree, but Innisfree was new to me until I received it in my Sweet Sparkle beauty box. And I love how so many of these brands are like natural derived or all natural, non-toxic. That's so exciting that there are more brands that are like that. So overall, that is just really exciting, and it was a great month for Ipsy for me this month. So I will have all the products linked down below in the description if you're interested in purchasing any of these products individually, and I also have my Ipsy link down below if you'd like to join Ipsy. Thank you guys so much for watching my Ipsy video for the month of May. Let me know what your favorite product was in your Ipsy bag this month if you're subscribed. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!